Welcome to Realicious. I'm looking at these and I'm thinking, oh my God, they look so delicious. These are from my cookbook and they are they're buffalo chicken meatballs with a little bit of...
Stare at the camera lens and then you'll be looking right in their eyes.
I'm looking at you. I'm telling you what I just made. I know, but when you do that, stare, look it right into it. Because when I first started YouTube, everybody used to always be like, you're not looking in the lens. You need to start that over.
Why? This is fun.
Okay.
This
was I not looking in the lens?
No, I'm just making sure that because this is education.
I like it. I like looking at the.
If you look right at that lens, then your eyes will be talking to the people.
Oh.
Isn't that a good trick?
I know, but don't your eyes kind of go
I know,
up
that's why I
because you
told
want
you.
to see what you look like?
The reason I brought that up on camera is because all my fans used to say, yeah, girl, we like your videos, but you never look at us in the eyes. And so in order to do that, because I'd always look at the picture instead of, so I wanted to give that tip to all your audience.
Well, I didn't know that.
I know. So you stare right at the camera lens, and then you're looking right at in the camera lens. In the lens.
Oh my gosh.
And then you're looking at your people. So see?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
So these are buffalo chicken spicy wings that she's got in her new cookbook. Meatballs.
Not wings.
Meatballs. But it reminds me of wings because...
Oh, they're so good. They have ranch blue cheese dressing on them. They have that buffalo Frank's hot. Yummy.
Yeah, so if you're like wanting an alternative
look in the lens.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. If you're wanting it, I'm reminding myself alternative.
I want to look at the picture.
I know,
it's
so do
hard.
I. The prettiest picture. It's so beautiful, but we have to look at you and your eyes because you're worthy.
I'm worthy. What do you think? Another hit or a bomb or a boom or a...
It's good.
Yeah?
I'm just getting full because I've been eating a lot today.
Oh, you know.
But they're delicious.
Oh. Well, I think they're amazing. And I love that they're so... Oh, I got lipstick all over me. I need a Kleenex. Oh, well.
Your finger. Your finger is
Use
the Kleenex.
my finger.
That's what makes good videos.
Thank you.
Delicious.
So see, we're sisters.
Then you get hot sauce all over.
I guess I could grab with my fork, but I don't think.
I think this would be perfect for like if you're having like
a pool party at your house.
Yeah, pool party. Well, no, I don't know about a pool party.
Well, you just pop one in your mouth and jump in the pool.
I would keep it in here on the table and then have people eat here.
Yeah, but I would come out from the pool and I would just come in here and pop one in my mouth.
Yeah, and then go back out.
Run back into the pool right from here.
Right.
Dive in.
Dive in.
That's a head breaker.
No, it's deep.
And then I would choke on this meatball. And I would be down in the bottom of that pool and then we'd have big problems. Okay, so this is really good, but I broke mine.
That's okay.
Oh, well.
So you could just have this as an appetizer or just dinner.
Crap, you could eat the whole thing for dinner.
I mean, I'm so, now that I live by myself, I'm so just into whatever. Sandwich for dinner. I don't need the whole shebang.
You don't need the meat,
I don't need the meat, salad, and vegetables. I had to do that for 25 years. I had to have, has to have meat, has to have a vegetable, has to have a carb. Ugh.
Yeah, well.
Now I'm like, I
And
can
we
eat
have
this for
meat and
dinner.
cheese.
We have meat and cheese trays, cheese and cracker trays, salad for dinner. You know,
I
it's
gotta
okay.
have the other one. These are so good.
They're spicy, so if you like spicy,
Yeah, they are
if you
spicy.
I can feel my nose running because it's got that buffalo hot sauce in it, and then you poured it on the top too, and then it's got ranch
I double
dressing.
whammied it with the buffalo hot sauce.
I'm not used to spicy food, but if you like spicy food, this is perfect.
These are still hot, so they're falling and breaking apart.
These
But
are
that's
fresh
okay.
out of the oven. It's so good to have them fresh out of the oven.
Those are good. What do you think?
Cheers. It's delicious. Good job. Your cookbook's going viral.
They're pretty good.
You have to speak what you want in the universe.
Absolutely, it's going viral.
And so the cookbook
because
is viral.
everybody is going to
'Cause
appreciate
people are at home now.
different recipes. People get bored,
Yes.
and you don't have to get bored ever again. Would you
don't
be
have-
bored eating that?
No, you don't
I
have to
would never
call
either.
Uber Eats or any of those. You just cook this yourself.
That's
and
right.
Create your own.
It took maybe 15 minutes, 10,
Makes
15
your nose run.
minutes. It
But
is
it's
pretty
delicious.
spicy, so.
It's spicy meatballs.
But you know what? It wouldn't be, well, because I have other meatballs that aren't spicy, but you gotta get the spice, girl.
You have to have the spice.
That is
It
the
clears
way.
your sinuses.
It makes you feel
Amazing.
alive.
We're promoting spicy over here.
I hate to tell you, but
There's my eyelash
You're
falling off.
I was so fearful of that
I
it
got
was
some-
gonna fall into your food, and I think it's in the corner.
You attracted that by saying that. I got on these wonderful magnetic eyelashes for this video.
That you fixed. Well,
Did I fix it?
I think it'll stay.
Well, I think that
I don't think it's gonna stay now.
I
think we might have to end this video.
think but if they fall off during the video, that's like.
I just don't want you to eat it.
Well, I'm done eating.
Oh, okay.
I'm full.
Well, I don't want it to fall in your wine.
Well, I do, because that'd make a good video. Remember the video we made where I had to get up and check the stand, and then
You always are doing that.
the lighting's not right. This is not right. That's not right. And then
You spilled wine
the
all
wine
down my
all
shirt.
over us.
In
I
your
liked
face
it.
and down my shirt.
I liked it on my channel, Ursula TV, so go check it out.
Yeah, you really are gonna lose that.
Well, I'm gonna take it off after this because this is only for the
I'm
camera.
just saying that it's.
Do you want me to take it off right now? Ta-da!
That's funny. Look at
Magnetic
that.
eyelashes.
That's why I don't wear
When you're
any.
in quarantine, you gotta make do. Look at my nails; they're just.
Look
Oh!
at that.
Now watch.
Oh, that is so good.
Isn't
Look
this
how
impressive?
easy. Wow, I'm so.
Maybe not.
Oh, do it again.
They only come
Try
on
it again.
once.
I think you ran out of.
You
that-
gotta put on magnetic eyeliner.
I
and
think the eyeliner.
the
fell.
eyeliner dries. Is it there?
That looks pretty good for what you just did.
Papa, see?
Wow.
I feel like I'm doing a promotion for
Wow.
magnetic eyelashes.
Not-
but
not-
really, we're doing a promotion for this. These
Well,
amazing.
no, it's not a promotion either.
Have
It's
another
just-
meatball.
Well,
Should we cheers our meatball?
yeah.
All right.
All right.
One more. I can
more.
do one more spicy.
Look at
Now
that.
you really
Cheers.
have to have a spicy. We'll go out with one more spicy meatball.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Meatball to meatball, sister to sister, together forever, falling all over.
Those are good. You gotta make those. Make them. Look at that. Look at that.
Cheers.
We've been gonna do look at that shit forever.
You need to look at that t-shirts.
look at
and
that
put-
t-shirt.
you know what you can
look
do?
at that apron.
You can put meatball pictures on your t-shirts and say, look at that, and sell them.
Somebody's gonna buy an apron, and a t-shirt of a
Absolute-
meatball.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Food porn.
See,
Yes.
a meatball.
You can sell anything.
That's amazing.
This one's falling apart.
It
so.
is. They're still hot.
Cheers. Talio.
Bye, guys.
We love you.
Cheers. Have a wonderful day. Hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy.
Know when to go.
Bye bye.